In this video, we're going to take a look at the dictionary method update. Now, previously, we've demonstrated both inserting new key value pairs and updating existing key value pairs using the square brackets indexing notation. So if we have a dictionary object, in the square brackets we can specify the key value and then assign to that element in the dictionary a value. And if the key already existed in the dictionary, we would be updating the corresponding value. If the key did not exist in the dictionary, we would be adding a new key value pair. And the update method also can both insert new key value pairs and update existing ones, but it provides a little more flexibility in that you can hand it many key value pairs to insert and or update. So for this example, we're going to create a country codes dictionary, and initially we're going to make it an empty dictionary, so I'll assign it the empty set of curly braces here. And to demonstrate the update method, let's first paste in a snippet here where we're going to call update on country codes, and you'll notice that what I've provided as an argument here is actually a dictionary containing a key value pair. Now, this particular dictionary has only one key value pair. However, I could provide a more elaborate dictionary with as many key value pairs as I want, and if those keys are not in the dictionary, this update method call will add them to the dictionary. If those keys are in the dictionary, then the corresponding values would be updated. So if I go ahead and execute this and then evaluate country codes, we can see that indeed it inserted this new key value pair into the dictionary. Now, another interesting way in which you can use the update method is with keyword arguments. So if you use a keyword argument of the form that I'm showing here, where you have a name, an equal sign, and a value, the update method will automatically convert that name into a string key and give that key the corresponding value to the right of the equal sign. And you can have a comma separated parameter list of key value pairs in this format, and all of them will be inserted and or updated in the dictionary. So let's go ahead and do that, and once again let's evaluate country codes, and now we can see a couple of things here. First of all, the new value is indeed in the dictionary, and by the way, we purposely made this wrong as the internet code for Australia so that we can demonstrate updating an existing key value pair. So again, not only do you see that it was inserted, but as I mentioned a couple of times now in Python 3.7, the key value pairs are going to show up in the dictionary in the order in which you insert them. So because South Africa was inserted first, it's listed first in the string representation of the dictionary. Now again, we did in fact provide the wrong internet country code for Australia back in snippet 4 here. So let me up arrow twice to recall that snippet, and let's fix that by making it AU. So in this case, the key is already in the dictionary, and therefore when I now evaluate, I can see that it was able to update the corresponding value associated with that key. Now, one other thing I just want to mention about the update method. When you call update, in this case up above at snippet 2 here, we passed it a dictionary object, but actually you can pass it any collection that contains elements with two values in them. So for instance, if I had a list that contained tuples in which each tuple had two elements, the first element of the tuple would be processed as the key, and the second element of the tuple would be processed as the value. So I could pass a list of tuples to the update method, and it will walk through that list, pick off each tuple, and separate it into a key and a value, and then insert and or update those elements as well. So again, this update method is super flexible compared to just the basic indexing syntax.